Hey, welcome to Ife's Kitchen. Thanks for subscribing. Thank you for being here. Today, I'm going to be making something more exotic. I call it my pasta bake with a twist. Bear in mind, I don't make it for me. I make it for my little angels. So you might like it, they might like it. So let's see what we got in there. So what you need for this meal is about 500 grams of pasta. I like to cook my kids' food in batches so that I don't have to remake the food every day. So there's enough that they can eat. Well, they end up not eating it so long. Maybe 2 or 3 they finish it. 320 grams of salmon. 305 grams of mild cheddar cheese, some chili pepper to go. I don't make my own pasta bake sauce, so I buy a pasta bake sauce from either Domino, any of them really. I'm not brand focused, so I use 2 of that instead of 1 so that it's not dry. And my good old stock cube. You will see where that all comes in. So first I have to boil my pasta with the stock cube for about 10 minutes to soften it a little bit. I know some people like it al dente, but I like soft. So that's me. So you don't have to do this part, but I like this part. So the oven will be put on to be preheated at 200 degrees so that everything all happens at the same time. It's only going to cook in the oven for like 20 minutes max. All right, let the cooking begin. So I'll bring water with the 1 stock cube to boil. I forgot to say I put also a dash of oil, like olive oil, in it. So it won't stick too much, just a little bit. And let that cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. So I'll keep an eye on it. Here I'm cutting the salmon fillet into small cube sizes so that it's evenly distributed in the food. I don't use tap water to rinse this out. I tend to leave it for the water from the pasta. To this I'm going to add the chili, and I'm going to use a spoon to just mix them all together. You see the pasta isn't too soft, it's still quite hard, so I'm going to just add the pasta in like that. The reason why I use the water from the pasta to rinse out the jar is so that I'm not taking away or diluting the flavor. So it around like that. So it doesn't get literally everything out, but it gets most of it out. And then what I do next is to just try and get the pasta to go into the sauce. So this is fine. So just take that You just spread it on the top. So this is going to go straight into the oven now for 20 minutes. So this is it cooked. I had to leave it for an extra 5 minutes, so total of 25 minutes, so that it would, the cheese on the top would melt properly. So let's try and dish it. So remember, it's still quite hot. So I don't know if you can see it there. I'll zoom in. See, there's really no much of the sauce just hanging around there. So I'm gonna dish this out now. Oh, see, pasta still in its solid form. So you can still see the salmon in there, and the pasta is still in its, it still retains its texture. It's not too soft, it's just right. Thank you.